Hey guys, Kelly here. I wanted to give you just a really quick video. Excuse my hair. Sorry, I was at the gym this morning. A real quick video of one way that you can help to boost your traffic to your blog as well as Facebook pages. So this is just going to be a real quick tutorial. Basically, all you can do you do is you can join blogging engagement groups. Here's one that I am in, and I've already gone through and did some of this stuff. So I'll show you so right here, wait, no, it wasn't this one, just one second. So it's the blogging frenzy. And so what they do is they allowed 10 participants to put their blog down here, right? So I'll open the comments so you can see it. And all you do is you're basically going to click on this thing. I like to open it in a new tab. And this one is just going to a Facebook page. So, which is fine. It's totally fine because I'm going to show you something that you can do with your Facebook page to help boost engagement as well. So you copy this right here, or you can even copy the URL. And then you go over to your own personal Facebook and then make sure that you click on your fan page. And then over here, you go to likes, and it might be in a different spot for you. It might not. And actually, that was not the one that I wanted. What I want is right, where'd it go? Oh, I was just on it. Now I want to be able to get you to it, and I don't. So if you go to on the top, you can type in pages underscore feed forward, and you hit that, and it's going to take you to your pages feed. So there used to be a feature on Facebook that you were able to go in and you can have a pages feed on your fan page, and then they did away with it being so easily to get to, which is weird. But the thing here, which is really freaking cool, is you go in here, right, and you hit like other pages, you type in that URL that you had, you hit save, and now anything from that page is going to show up in here. And so here's one example that I did already. The summer quinoa salad from Gardening Foodies. You know, that looks really delicious, and it would be something that I would try. So I commented on her post as my page, which helps create engagement, and it helps get your name, your page, your anything. It could be a blogging community. It could be, you know, here's one. She has, this is for her son who, no, not that one. It might be this one. That her son has autism. And so you engage with that. And then you can also see here, like on this post, have you eaten yet? What did you think of it? And this is just more of a review. She's a blogger, and this is a community Facebook page for a blogger page. So her blogs from her blog posts are going to post there. But what happens is you can comment on this and you can get interactions with regular everyday people. Let me find, have you been to Cebu? So I could click on this. I open it in a new tab. You can read about the post here. That place looks absolutely gorgeous, right? So here I can go in and I can leave a comment. Oh, but no, actually you can't. So this one is for booking arrangements, which I don't want to do, but that place looks really awesome. So I could just put just added to my travel list. Thank you. Right? So now I can also come in here and I can like normal everyday people. I can like them as my page, and their comments, I could respond to them as well, right? So that looks, you know, that super cool. Telling you, you know, this is a really good, free and easy way that you can begin getting more traffic. And the one thing that I do is just a second. I will show you what I do with my cell phone. So that I keep myself 100% on task, right? Because obviously I don't want to get, I don't want to get distracted at all. Not at all. So let me see. Nope, that was not what I wanted to do. Why isn't it letting me open? So I'm still learning QuickTime, and I know there is a way that you can launch your cell phone screen with QuickTime. And I've only done it once or twice, so I'm going to look how to launch cell phone screen with QuickTime. So to start that, you got to connect your iPhone to your Mac using Lightning cable and launch QuickTime Player. Click File, click New Movie Recording. Whoop, sorry. New movie recording. And that little thing pops up. There we go. I hope you guys can see that. Let me make it a little smaller so I can get the whole thing in here. So what I do is I create this timer because, and let me show you where it's at, right? So if you go to your home screen and you just click on your clock, usually most people that's going to come up with their alarms, or if you have the bedtime app, your stopwatch and your timer. And what I do, I'm going to go ahead and just hit cancel. And I do 1 hour and I hit start. And for that whole hour, what I'm doing is I'm strictly only going through over here in my blogging engagement groups, or any kind of engagement groups. You can have social media engagement groups, you can have blogging engagement groups, you can have stumble upon engagement groups. Just use your imagination and get creative and try to find maybe something that would work for you. And then you want to go in and you want to take these pages, like here's another one, right? So I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to come back to my page and my likes page. I'm going to hit other pages. There she is. I'm going to hit save. Now the other thing that I have been doing is I come back in and I say, hey, just liked your page. Great content. Thank you and much love. Bam, there you go. So now she knows that I also liked her page. Now the only problem with this is that you're not posting as your page. So keep that in mind. You are posting on your personal profile, which is fine, because if you have your personal profile set up accurately, you could always use your fan page with Facebook in one of the things here. Or when you are commenting over on your Facebook fan page and you're in your page's feed, and I would suggest bookmarking this. So I would do something like bookmarks, bar, social media posting, done. And then that way, this is actually just bookmarked so that you can get to it, back to it super, super easy. Okay. So, this is just a really great way to kind of get yourself out there and get rolling with free content, free engagement. It doesn't cost you a penny, just time. Like I said, again, set your timer, 1 hour. You do it once a day. You can do it for 30 minutes, twice a day. If you need to break it up into 15 increments 4 times a day, do it. But this is something that is huge, and it would really benefit your company, your brand, and yourself to be able to get out there and start getting this engagement and let people coming back to your fan page so that they can follow you. So you're going to find that you'll have other pages liking your pages. And let me show you something about that. So here, right? Whoops, sorry about that. Here you have a page that you've liked. Okay, over here are more people also liked, okay? And then here are pages liked by this page. Now, fans of this page are typically going to come in here. They're going to look at the things that this page has liked, and they are also going to like it. See what I'm saying? Gold, huh? This is a gold mine. So you do not want to miss this. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick training. I wanted to keep it under 10 minutes. I'm a little over, but hey, more training coming at you this week. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.